in laboratory scale you should optimize properly the whole condition of your experiment, because if you won't optimize it, it won't work at higher scale. And if there are some changes are required to add addition at higher scale, like some just as I have equipped my this biosedimentation tank with sand bed, this kind of innovative research should be done, and new ideas should be
See,
acquired.
for example, you used 1:9 ratio,
Yes,
am I right?
yes, sir.
And so when you scale up, so did you maintain the same ratio or did you make some changes?
Yes, sir.
So and why did you made those changes? Can you just elaborate a little bit more?
Sir, I have maintained the same ratio. I kept in consideration the concentration of yeast in the suspension. That should be constant.
So what was the concentration?
It was dried at 0.005 gram per liter. It remained constant throughout the experiment, from lower level scale to higher level scale.
See, for example, did you observe when you scale up and there are some cellular changes or molecular change or morphological changes in cell size and so on, or no such changes did you observe?
Sir, I didn't observe much about morphological appearance of flock, but I found that in higher scale when we were performing biosedimentation test, the biosedimentation was achieved rapidly in less time. While when it was performing at lower scale, it takes time little bit.
So what could be the underlying possible biochemical or physiological mechanism of biosedimentation or bioclarification?
Sir, of course, the interaction of polysaccharide of cell wall of yeast and metals, phenols is facilitating the biosedimentation of the.
So did you characterize your surface chemistry of your yeast, which you are recommending for setting up the treatment tank?
Sir, I did.
Because you say that these are the responsible factors. Then what was the surface chemistry of your stream and the other stream?
Yes, sir. One experiment I have performed for surface charge analysis. I have taken Baker yeast as a positive control. So I found the charge was surface charge was showing higher in the trace stream, which was obtained from white water bodies.
See, when I'm saying surface chemistry, I'm looking for, I mean, as you explained in the first few slides, that there are different kinds of sugar molecules
Yes.
and oligosaccharides which play important role. So, do you think some kind of functional groups which are exposed on these yeast that are playing important role? So, did you find some, or did you investigate such
Sir,
aspect?
I have predicted on the basis of literature survey. I didn't do yet.
You didn't.
It should be done further.
So that means you will recommend
Yes.
that this
Yes.
should be investigated and
Yes.
your juniors can
Yes.
work on
Yes.
this.
Yes.
Okay. See, when you say phosphate solar